Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing, and oh my gosh, look at my necklace. I keep forgetting to use it every day, but anyways, I kinda wish I got the gold one instead, because this doesn't match with everything that you wear. But oh well, I wanted to get something different because I get bored with the simple basic colors or whatever. And I'm also using my new long sleeve, and this is so soft and comfortable. Oh my god, I'm glad I got this. Okay, anyways, so the first package is this. I don't know which brand sent me this. It doesn't say. Okay, anyways, so I'm gonna all the sticky. It got in my nail, that sticky thingy. No, I ruined my nail polish, and I just repainted yesterday. Anyways, whatever. So, oh, it's from the Alba. It says, now it's getting stuck in my hair, and there's this glue thingy. Okay. This, okay. This, okay, finally. This is the Alba, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's white truffle double serum and cream. It's this. Damn, I don't need any more skincare right now. I think I'm good to go. I do need acne patches of that. I forgot about this. Oh my gosh. I'm getting too many skincare opportunities. I can't. Okay, so this looks like a Korean brand, and it's vegan. All right, so that's pretty good though. Let me open the box. Let me shine it like that. Okay, so alright, let's see. Ooh, it looks fancy. It looks like older ladies will wear this. That's how it looks. But this is how the packaging looks. It's sleek, it's pretty. You see, it's Korean. Okay. I like the gold trim. It feels so sleek. Okay, so ooh, I never seen this before. It's half serum, half cream. Which one's the serum? Which one's the cream? I'm guessing the yellow is the serum and this is a cream. So it's hydrating and nutritive. However you say it, it's a three. Ooh, and it comes with a little palito, like a little stick. Ooh, this is so cool. What? Wow. I just did my skincare, so I'm not good. I forgot. I should have waited. Oh well, I'm trying some other time. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna end it here because I can't try it on. No, I forgot. It's because I didn't know it was gonna be a skincare video. Anyways, so this is a little card they sent me. Let's see. Oh, it comes from Italy. All right, so this is a European brand, but it looks Korean. Maybe the ingredient or the brand name, I don't freaking know. Oh, what? It's white truffles. Okay, it's saying where it comes from, what it helps for, basically. And that it comes in this cream, I'm guessing. What? So it's fancy cream? Wow, that's cool. I forgot what white truffle is, but I think it's great, like for your skin, I hope. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, I think I'm just gonna end it here. Sorry, because I didn't know. Maybe I'll try it out someday. I don't freaking know what I'm gonna do with this video. Whoop, I guess so. So bye. Thanks for watching.